When I get home, I want you.
Hi, I'm Anthony from True Local Electricians. Come and take a look at some of our residential electrical services.
Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me, and you next to me, and you next to me, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be.
Baby girl, there's nothing that can keep me from you. Haters always wanna keep me from you. Got me picking up my speed now for you. Please be loyal. Jeez, you know you got the hello. I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me.
Call us today for a free quote on your electrical project.
And you next